Hi, I'm Rich Breckner with Inside HPC, and I'm here at the Supermicro booth at SC11. I'm here with Don Clegg. Don is the VP of Marketing at Supermicro. Don, now Interlagos from AMD just started shipping, I think, this week for GA. What do you guys got going there?
That's correct. So essentially, AMD announced yesterday full production, and we're happy to say at Supermicro we're their partner, and we're in full production as well. So we have, I believe it's close to 75 different products that we're now shipping with Interlagos. That's just the beginning. So Supermicro is known for its breadth of product. So I can show you some of the exciting products here in the booth. I mean, on the AMD side, for instance, we're showing a 4-way AMD Interlagos system. You can take a look. Some really cool things about this. With the 4 processors now, with Interlagos, you're going to get 16 cores, up to 16 per processor. So that's 64 cores in this one box. And it's matched up very nicely with memory. So we have 32 memory DIMM modules. So the basic math, I mean, that's half a terabyte of memory, which is incredible to go with the 4 CPUs. And a nice architectural feature, as well as business feature with this box, is that to go from a 2-way to a 4-way system, there is no price premium for the CPUs. There's no tax put on for the 4-way system. So if customers want to scale from a dual processor to a 4 processor, it's an ideal box for them. A lot of really cool features. The power supply is extremely efficient, 1400 watt, all hot swappable supplies you see on the side. It'll support the hard drives, PCI Express 2.0 by 16. You know, essentially a supercomputer at standard server prices.
Very cool. So Don, what are we looking at here? Some different form factors.
Correct. So Supermicro is known for putting multiple servers into a single box. Essentially, we call it our twin family. And it began with 2 servers, expanded to 4, and now we're showing up to 8 servers in a single 2U box. And it's an incredible density play. So if I look at these, if you can see from the back, on this particular sled, there's actually 2 independent servers designed on one board. And these are taking advantage of low-power Intel Atom processors. So I take this, they slide in and out, very easy maintenance, and I can put 8 of these into one rack. So this is really targeted for customers that need high density, easy maintenance, low power. Think performance per dollar, performance per watt. It's an incredible solution for that. And to complement that, we also have another type of system. This is using Atom. This is using the full power of the Xeon. So the Xeon X9 Romleys that are shipping, single processor today. Essentially, in one 3U box, we can fit up to 8 servers. As you can see, the maintenance is extremely easy. They take advantage of some efficiencies of sharing the power, redundant power. So you're getting, again, an incredibly high efficiency, incredibly high density. And we call this one our microcloud. So the cloud is emerging as a very important space. And between the microcloud and the 2U twin cubes, we think we have the right play for any of our customers.
So Don, you know, here at SC11, there's a lot of buzz about GPUs with top 500. What do you guys got in that area?
Well, glad you're asking, because Supermicro is a leader and has always been a leader in the GPU computing space. Previously, we would always show 1U platforms that essentially could hold 2 GPU cards. And so if you scale the 2U platforms, you'd think you could hold 4. We've actually done a 50% increase over that with this new design. So now instead of holding 4 GPUs in a 2U space, we have a design that'll hold 6. So on this side I can hold 2 GPU cards, this side 2 GPU, and in the back 2 GPUs. And what we had to do was we had to do a special motherboard design, motherboards in the middle, and unlike traditional designs where you only have one add-on card on one side, we've done the design to have add-on cards on both. We've done all the thermal testing, so if you don't want to use just GPUs, you can put things like flash memory cards. And it will support all of the new GPU technology, whether we're showing the Intel mic, the NVIDIA, the ATI. You know, it's an extremely versatile machine. It's got very, very high efficiency power supplies, and thermals are really important with GPUs because they can draw hundreds and hundreds of watts. Sometimes our customers are saying that's great, how do I get started right away? So actually at the show, we are showing a personal supercomputer that's already built out into a mini rack for our customers. I'd love to show that to you as well.
Let's take a look.
Okay.
So Don, we were talking about personal supercomputers, desk side for GPUs. What do you got going here?
Well, what we're showing today, it's brand new, being shown at Supercomputing for the first time. We're helping our customers get started by offering, we call it our SIM cluster, essentially in various configurations. But you can see this mini rack is set up to go today with GPUs and x86 CPUs for essentially a GPU cluster. It's got InfiniBand built in. It's configurable so that customers can have either, I believe it's 8, 16, and 32 GPUs to go along with their node, head node. And it takes some of the growing pains out of someone that wants to get started in supercomputing right away.